In housekeeping, we need something to carry, transport, collect and store supplies and other small items. For this, we require containers. So in this video, we will discuss about different types of containers used in hotel housekeeping. Bucket. One of the basic open-top container is bucket. Mostly plastic buckets are used. These are mostly used to carry water for different purposes such as mopping. Basins and bowls. Used to carry small amount of water. You can use it to prepare small amount of cleaning solution or carrying some dry powder or for such purposes. Dustpans. These are small, a flat handheld shovel kind of containers which is used in combination with broom or brushes for gathering dust and waste. For purchasing a dustpan, check for the edges in contact with floor. Thinner and sharper the edges, more effective it will be in collecting dust and waste. Dustpans are also available with long handles, which eliminates stopping. For storing, suspend dustpan with a hook or lying horizontally or sideways. Dustbins that we use for trash and garbage. These may be made up of plastic or metal. Also, you might find combination of wood and metal where interior part is of metal. Normally, housekeeping look after the dustbins of guest room, service rooms, where normally guest room waste is brought by guest room attendants. In public areas, dustbins such as corridors, lobbies, etc. In waste collection areas, which is generally located outside the main building and hidden from view. Sani bins, short of sanitary bins, which are generally placed in toilet or washroom areas. Prefer to buy a sani bin with a lid, as these are used for hygienically dropping feminine waste products and other waste which are not suitable for flushing down a toilet or disposal in other traditional way. Spray bottles. It is a plastic lightweight bottle which can squirt, spray or mist fluids. Through nozzle, you can adjust the spray. Normally used in housekeeping to spray chemicals and damp dusting. Polish applicator tray. This tray is used in conjunction with polish applicator mop, which is used for polishing floor with liquid polish. One must label polish applicator tray with the kind of polish they are to be used. In the end, we have the most useful container for GRA, that is hand caddy. It is used by GRA to carry cleaning supplies from one room to another. After every shift, hand caddy must be cleaned and topped up with replacement supplies to be used in the next shift. Normally, plastic hand caddies are preferred as they are lightweight. Well, there is also a bigger cart that we call maid cart for carrying guest room supplies, linen, etc. along with hand caddy. We will talk about carts and trolley in our next video. You can check the link in the description below.